Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If your Windows Defender, we also call it Windows Security, is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11, if you're unable to turn on or if you're unable to open, if you have any XYZ problem with Windows Defender or Windows Security, this video is for you. So we will be doing only 3 simple steps to fix this problem and you will have the full protection of Windows Security, which we call it Windows Defender. So for that, here in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to settings. Now once we are in settings, at the left hand side we have a lot of menus and we just need to go to apps. And here we need to go to apps and features. And here in the app list, we just need to scroll down and look for Windows Security Microsoft Corporation. Now at the right hand side, we have this 3 dots and we need to click on that and then go to advanced options. Now here, make sure app permission should be turned on and here background app permission should be recommended. You can make it always or you can select power optimized. Please make sure it is not selected never. And here if you scroll down in the reset window, we have this repair and reset. So firstly you try repair and this will take some time to repair it, and then you can simply click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So once we click on that, it will reset the whole Windows Defender Windows Security app and then try to open it from the start menu by just going to all apps and scroll down and look for Windows Security like this. And you can also open it from bottom right corner. You just need to click on this shield icon and the Windows Security will be opened and you should have all the green check marks in it. Let's say if you still have issues, you can restart the computer and then check. And I'll tell you some commands for Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this manner, the Windows Security app will be reset and it will be reinstalled. Now these are the commands which we need to run in the PowerShell. So for Windows, this command will work in build 20175 or later. So for some of the people it might not work, the Windows 10 one, and Windows 11 will work for everyone. So here in the search icon, type PowerShell. So you'll find Windows PowerShell and we need to click on this run as an administrator and then it will ask you to say yes, and a blue window will open up like this, and you can simply copy this from the description box and paste it right here and hit enter. So it might take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to do so, and you can also, I'll just paste the second command as well. So if you're using Windows 11, you can simply paste it and hit enter. Once this is done, it is very important to restart the computer and see if your Windows Defender, Windows Security is working fine or not. Please hit the like and subscribe. And guys, if it's not working for you, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And if your computer is running slow, please watch the video which you will get at the end of the end screen. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.